Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video I'm going to take you through how to reveal or show your saved passwords in your Microsoft Edge browser and then also the Google Chrome browser. So to begin with, we'll open the Microsoft Edge application or browser, click on the three dots at the top right, and then scroll down to you see settings and then click on it to open the settings. Now with the profiles selected, you want to scroll down on the right and then click on passwords to open the saved passwords on your browser. So I have three saved passwords on my browser, one for Facebook, one for Google accounts, and then one for Scribble Map. So the Google account, I actually have two saved passwords there. So I'll click on that to reveal the passwords for the Google account I have saved on this particular PC. And then once you click on it, you would need to enter your user account password, the account that is logged on to this PC. So I'll enter the password for security reasons to confirm your identity, and then the accounts will be open for you to reveal the password. To reveal the password, click on the icon that looks like an eye to reveal your account or your saved password in plain text. You have the edit and then the delete to edit the account password. In case the password has changed, you can update it with the new password, or you can click the delete to delete the saved password from your browser completely. Now open Google Chrome. Also click on the three dots, mouse over password and autofill, and then click Google Password Manager. And then that should also show you all your saved passwords in the sites that you have on your Google Chrome browser. So I have my password saved on apple.com or the iCloud. Click on it, and then once again you need to verify your identity by typing the account password, the user account password, the account that is logged onto the PC, and then click on the icon that looks like an eye to reveal the password in plain text, just as we saw on the Microsoft Edge browser. Again, you have the edit and then delete option. In case the password has changed, you can click the edit and then update it with the latest password, or you can click the delete icon or delete button right there to delete the saved password completely from your Google Chrome browser. So yes guys, kindly click on the subscribe button down this video to support us to bring you more of such videos and to help us to grow this community together. Click the like button if this was helpful, share the video, turn on notifications for all, and then I will see you guys in another video. Thank you, bye.